Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is How you guys doing? I trust that you all are doing well. So today's video, I just want to make it very fast and quick. I'll be telling you about how to pray to stop your husband from cheating on you with a side chick. Okay, so the last video I made where I talked about how to stop your husband from cheating on you, I got a lot of comments from that video, and I got comments like, oh, why don't you pray for him? Why don't you commit him into God? And I just thought about making this video on praying for a cheating partner. Okay, so I'm not against prayer at all. In fact, I'm one person that will tell you pray for everything, but there are some things you shouldn't pray about. Okay, and one of the things you shouldn't pray about is praying to God to change a cheating partner. Like I said in my video, I talked about cheating. In fact, I defined it. Okay, and I said that cheating is a choice. It's not a mistake. It's an intentional act that this person wants to do. Okay, and it's not your fault as a woman, especially. It's not your fault. It has nothing to do with you. Okay, and before cheating takes place, don't forget they must have been communicating, they must have been visiting, they must have been chatting. So you cannot come and tell me now that this person was under the influence of something. No, he knows what he was doing. Okay, it's an intentional act. So today's video, I will tell you that there is no point praying for a cheating partner. Yes, I said what I said. Do not pray for a cheating partner. Okay, rather, I would rather tell you to pray for yourself. Yes, pray for yourself. Find out things you can do. In fact, if you do not know, ask God for direction. Okay, because for me, cheating is so bad that sometimes it messes with your brain, it messes with your mind, especially you as a woman, and you begin to think, you begin to wonder, probably it's your fault. It's because, oh, maybe you added weight after childbirth, or you're no longer looking, you know sexy the way you used to, and so that has given him room. I'm talking about your partner now. That has given him room, okay, to cheat on you. No. Okay, because I hear a lot of men come up with these excuses. I call it excuses that, oh, my wife no longer look attractive like the way I met her. My wife doesn't give me time. It's all about the kids, it's all about the children. She doesn't have time for me. And I always say that those are excuses. Okay, they're just looking for whom to shift their blame to. Okay, if your wife is no longer looking that beautiful the way you married her, why not talk about it? Have you communicated that concern to her yet? Have you talked about it? Okay, so we also say, she no longer gives me time. And I'm like, if you're not being selfish, this woman has to deal with kids, with children, with you. If you love her that much, why don't you also assist her? Okay, that job that is supposed to take her 3 hours, probably if you put hands together and you help her, it might maybe take her 30 minutes to do, or probably 1 hour. And then the remaining of the time, you people can spend it together, instead of you going out there to do what you want to do, and then at the end of the day, you now try to shift blame. So women, I just want you to know that it's not your fault. This person knows what he or she wants to do. It's an intentional act. Cheating is not a mistake. Please, women, it's not a mistake. Stop going to church to pray. Stop calling on your pastor to pray. Stop even calling the side chick that she wants to destroy your home. No, because I hear a lot of women say, no, it's not ordinary. The side chick must have used something. I'm like, okay, your partner is just walking, or your husband is just walking along the road, and then this side chick now blow whatever she blew, and he fell off. All people walking on the road, it's your husband did whatever decide to follow. Please, it's just common sense. Okay, if somebody has decided to cheat on you, it's the person's problem and not you. Don't put it on yourself. Don't carry that weight on you. It's not your problem, it's their problem. Let them deal with it. Okay, like I always say, if you notice that your partner is the cheating type, please protect yourself as a woman. Protect yourself 100%, okay? Because you've got in this life. Do not play with your health, do not play with your life. Okay, if you know it's something that you cannot forgive, it's better you walk away, because I think as a Christian, that is the only reason God gave for divorce. Okay, as long as this person is not violent towards you and the person is cheating, if it's something you cannot forgive, walk away. But if it's something that, okay, you can forgive and see how you walk around your marriage, good for you. But please do not take that burden on cheating on yourself. Don't say, oh, it's because I have neglected them, oh, it's because I am no longer looking attractive, or because the kids are taking much of my time. No, cheating is a choice, is an intentional act. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave it in the comment section what you think about this, and please let's be respectful about our comments, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.